So how is everyone doing? I hope you all are enjoying my videos which I'm posting for the full moon ritual. I had posted, and then I had posted some tips, and yes, I would like to thank you all. Many of you all had said that you all loved the tarot spells which I had posted last time. So I will bring in one or two more tarot spells today. Also, I'm actually bringing in a very unique candle which actually I had not launched till now. So I thought I will show you all. This is called as the kokopelli candle. Kokopelli, kokopelli candle. I'm just showing Palo Santo. I'm just um, cleansing it basically because I have been making these candles for a long time. In fact, it has been 1.5 years since I've made these candles. I've never launched these candles because I was trying different ways of using it, and I was also doing my own research. I still remember I liked seeing this candle, and I had decided that I will just pick it and I will use it. So usually when I am smudging the candle, I show my smoke like this. I have not energized this. As I said, I have been making this. I've been trying for various things and trying to see how it works. So here also, if there's a space in between, then I also do smudging in between. Okay, the whole thing is energized nicely. So coming to this candle, actually there's my Egyptian workshop which is coming up. So because of which I wanted to bring in some more related powerful animals with the Egyptian gods and goddesses, and how we can connect with them and how we can make ourselves powerful. At that time, suddenly I remembered that I have this candle, the kokopelli candle, which I've been wanting to try for a long time, and it's just not happening karke. So then I just was reading about certain Egyptian gods, and now I cannot discuss what I was reading from my notes and how this beautiful one came. But one thing I understood was that kokopelli is the bringer of good luck and fortune. And when I say fortune, it means loads of money if you want money, if you want fortune in terms of health, fortune in terms of career opportunities, a fortune from a fortunate company. For example, now I want to be selected in a company which is in top 10 companies, or I want to be selected in so and so company where I feel it will bring in a lot of abundance. For that it is used. Business people, if they want their fortune to go, like I want to expand my business, I want to open 2-3 shops, I want to bring in more franchises. Now, do I burn this alone? I would suggest no. You can add this as an add-on. Like if you see my candle videos, I would have added cross candle, or I would have added Merlin for added energies, for added magic. Like that, kokopelli is a bringer of fortune, is a bringer of luck. So if I want, for example, now I have been looking for opportunities where I can make more money, but it is not happening, and I am say burning a green figurine. Okay, then I can add this with it to bring in energies. Now I have been going for interviews, and there is a certain company from where I'm expecting the letter. The interview had gone well, but they have still not given me the offer letter. Then you can burn this with the orange figurine. Like that, you can add in your figurines. Now I am not into bringing in fortune from one side. I just want me to be a fortunate person, me to be a blessed person, me to be happy in all aspects of life. I want luck to flow in my life, I want fortune to flow in my life. Then in that case also, what you can do is you can just burn this with a wizard candle, Merlin candle, which is for magic. You can also burn this with a horseshoe candle, the unicorn candle. You can also burn this with say the Aladdin candle, the genie candle. You can burn this. You can also burn this with cat, that the cat goes and then she brings in fortunes. Like that, you can mix match and you can burn it. But overall, it is good to burn. Now coming to this candle again, it's a beautiful unique bird, and it has also its own connect with certain gods and goddesses. But I would suggest, if you want to burn this for luck to come, do it on Sundays. I mean general fortune to come, then do it on Sundays. Every Sunday you can burn this, or what you can do is on every new moon you can burn this, saying new fortune or new opportunities coming your way, or new luck coming your way for your for your whole month to be, you know, full of fortune and good luck. You can do it on every new moon. I would not suggest full moon. I would suggest only new moons. For 11 new moons at least, if you burn like that, you will see a lot of changes. But don't burn it as an individual candle. Combine it with either Merlin, just for magic, or combine it with the unicorn candle, or combine it with the figure. Now if you feel, you know, I cannot burn such big candles together in my home, I cannot use so much of space, then what you can do is combine this with a figurine and you can burn it. So start on a Sunday. I hope you all understood this, and I hope you all enjoyed seeing the video. I know it's a short video, but that is all I can talk, because for me kokopelli is nothing but bringer of luck, bringer of good fortune, and it will bring in whatever you desire. So that's what is kokopelli. Now those who want to book the candles can always get in touch with the team. The team number will come when I'm saying this. Okay, but do try it, and I have also started trying this, and that is why you all know I don't bring any candle if I have not tried it. So I have tried this now and I see good changes. That's why I'm even advising you all to do it. So good luck, and do like the video. Do leave a comment if you like it, and if you want me to bring more videos like this, do share it and do subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon also. Before I forget, since I was talking that you all love the tarot spells, you can keep a Wheel of Fortune card here and do this. It will work beautifully. So take care all of you all. Stay blessed, and I shall come back with more videos. Thank you.